Okay. So before we went on break, we started to look at the first thing that we looked at today was a logical error. That is, when we selected data from multiple tables, but we counted the fields, it would only give the count for one of the two tables, which is the why this was a logical error. Then we start looking at the cross join, which can be produced as selecting tables without a where clause of the matching field or using the word cross join. Then we talked about the self join, which is the two fields of the same table that are connected with each other. So we looked at the customer's YS table in which we had the last name field and we had the referred field. So we were able to display the first and the last name of the people who referred other people. So in order to do that, we made sure that we create two tables, we create two aliases for the same table and give them different alias names. So that's how two copies of the same table will be created behind the scene. Then we started to look at the set operators. In the set operators, we looked at the union operator, which combines the data set of two tables by avoiding duplicates. Then union all combines the two data sets, including the duplicates. Intersect will only give you the matching records, avoiding duplicates. And the except will give you the non-matching records only. So that's basically what we looked at before we went on break in a gist. And then we looked at examples 1 through 21 in chapter number 8, which is the beginning of chapter 8 through page 246. Now we are moving on to, before we go to the very last example in chapter 8, we would like to look at some other examples where we will learn how you can join more than two tables. Okay, now let me give you a task that I want to select the following data items. Okay, I want to select, let me go down here. Okay, I want to select the item number. Which tables have the item number field? Or which table has the item number field?
Order items.
Order items. Okay, I want to select the item number. I want to select the book title. Which table has the book title?
Just books, right?
Okay, so we have order items dot item number, and we have books dot book title. Okay. And which table has the first and the last name of author?
The author table. Books is just title.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Thank you. So author dot last name, or is it L name?
L name, yeah.
Author dot first name. Okay. So I want to select these four fields.
Sorry, that's F name. That's F name.
Oh, F name. Okay. Can you guys tell me the map? Like, how will these fields from three different tables be mapped?
Order items has the ISBN.
So order items can be connected with books. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, books.isbn.
Okay. And then how will I bring an author into the picture?
You need to use the book author table to match the ISBN to the author ID.
Okay, so book author and books needs to be connected. And then book author and author needs to be connected. So I need 1, 2, 3 different connections, right? Is everybody else following too? Thomas, Christina, Cameron? Okay. So now, if I select these 4 fields, just like that, from order items, inner join, books on order items dot ISBN equals to books dot ISBN, right? So that's one join done. Then you start working like that with the other joins. So I will be doing multiple inner joins. So that's first inner join, then I will need second inner join, then I'll need the third inner join. So as we looked into it, that the first connection was between order items and books on ISBN. Then we need a connection between books and book author. Again, on books.isbn and bookauthor.isbn. That's the second connection. The third connection we have is between the book author and the author, where we have book author dot, what's the common field?
Author ID.
Author ID and author dot author ID. Oh, I made a mistake. Inner join. Oh. Oh, inner join author on book author dot author ID.
I don't believe I did this right.
Okay, here we go. I made some mistakes in the last line.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting at. It does not look right.
So basically what we're doing is, for every item that got ordered, we are displaying the item information, the book information, and the author information. For every item ordered, we are displaying the item number, why are you saying that it doesn't seem right?
Well, because it just seemingly is matching unrelated authors to the books. That, and like for that database implementation one, it says Austin James wrote the book twice.
Austin James wrote database implementation.
Yeah. It's the first, for database implementation, it's the first one and the fourth one.
Database implementation. Say, okay, hold a second. Select star from authors. Okay, so oops, author. See, there are books with multiple authors. You see that?
Right, but the author appears multiple times in the same thing.
And then
Actually, it keeps appearing.
orders.
It seems a few of the rows are duplicated, even.
Order items. Okay. So basically, this is the data we're looking at right now. Okay. So let me go back to our output. That was our final output. Okay. So item number one. Item number one appears multiple times because they are both items are part of so yeah, item number one, ISBN 3437212, so 3437212, 7212, and that will be did I not grab all the books? Oh, 343, not one. Oh yeah, this one, cooking with mushrooms, right? Is one quantity. So we have cooking with mushrooms. And this is written by, so we will going to match this 343 with B100. B100 is Baker Jack. So we were able to find Baker Jack with cooking with mushrooms. Then item number 1, how to manage the manager. So this is coming from the order number 10001. Also has an item number 1 with 924738, which is how to manage the manager, where how to manage the manager 924924. Oh, maybe I didn't get all the authors. Oh, I hate this. Did I not get all the authors? I mean, did I not get all the books? I mean, no, I did get all the books. Okay. Okay, so we have 924. Which book is 924? Here it is, how to manage the manager. Okay, 924. Where is that in the, or maybe I didn't get the ISB and author table completely. Oh my God. Okay. Right, I didn't get that table complete. So I need some more records. So it is giving me 56 rows, you're saying. That is more than what I should, right? Is that what you're saying? Because we only have, how many orders do we have?
Quite a few.
We have 32.
32.
32, okay.
Yeah.
So now, if I look at this guy here, 1002. You know what? Let me do one more thing here. So order number 1000. Okay, order number 1001. We have only 2 entries in the order items table, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4 entries here, right? So why do we have 3 entries for painless child? The painless child has 3 entries because the painless child has 3 authors.
Right. That wouldn't make sense. What I'm wondering around about is oh, I didn't notice that the order numbers were different. Oh, that explains everything.
Yeah. These are different order numbers. These are in different orders.
Oh, okay. All
That's why
right.
I
That
added the.
one's my fault.
Oh, that's okay, no problem. So that's why I included the order numbers so that you can see that these item numbers are coming from different orders.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's copy this query, the same one, and paste it again. But this time we will combine the first name and the last name separated by commas. So we will concatenate the first name, last name, just like that, as full name. Can you guys rewrite this query with table aliases? Rewrite the query above with table aliases. Let me know through a green check when you guys are done changing this to an alias. So something like this is what you got.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let me give you guys a task to display. So write a query to do this. I just cleared the previous feedback. So when you guys are done with this, let me know. Okay, so everybody is done except for Cameron, or Cameron forgot to put the good check. Okay. So you guys have something like this, where you selected the item number and the name of the publisher, and you had to include the books in between, as that is the bridge between the two tables. Right? Something like that? Yep. Okay. Now, let's turn to page 247 in the book. Page 247. And this would be looking at example number 22. I would let you guys read the example first. This is figure 832, page 247, example 22.
Example 22?
Yes. That is figure 832.
832. Okay.
Yep. Okay, so probably everybody had a chance of looking at this example and the output. What do you think is going on here? What's happening?
For the example,
Mm-hmm.
they're just kind of doing what we did, just selecting fields from various tables and ordering them. So you have just a list of the customer and everything they've bought in the database.
Okay, so basically, this is a join that is joining customers table, customers final table with orders final table, with order lines final table, and a products final table. So 4 tables are getting joined here because the information that we want is spread around across 4 tables. So what we're doing is for every customer, we are getting their order date, the date on which they ordered, and we're getting their order ID, and then we are getting the product description. So that's why, let's say, and then we are finally, if you look down and on the very last line, what are we doing? We are ordering the entire result set by the customer name.
Yeah.
And if the customer has placed multiple orders, then we are ordering it by the order date. So that's why all the customer best digital products are first all the 205 orders, then all the 217 orders. And Yeah. Okay, go ahead and run this query. Code it and run it. And just make sure that your table names match. So far Cameron is the only one done.